Hi y'all, knife detector here. I wanted to show you this little neglected knife here. And I say neglected not because it's in bad condition, it's in pretty good condition. But it's got a couple of little issues and we're going to repair those today. People don't carry these anymore. They prefer the liner locks, they prefer the flippers. But these are really nice to carry. They keep a really good edge. This particular one looks like it's from the 50s. It's got plastic handles, but the problems that it has are as follows. The handle is a little bit loose. So whenever you have a handle that's a little bit loose, all you have to do is you have to give this pin a couple of smacks with a ball peen hammer. Now the ball peen hammer is going to hit around the edges here on the little pin. What that is then going to do is that's going to mushroom the edges and tamp them down a little bit and create a little bit more pressure on that handle, and it'll tighten it. The other issue that it has is, I don't know if you can see, but the blade sticks out there a little bit. Now I've already given this a light sharpening, but because that blade sticks out a little bit, it can snag on your pants. And the reason for that is because this blade used to be much thicker and fuller, but with time and use and sharpening, it doesn't go down all the way like it used to. And here's the reason. This little piece of metal right here is designed to press against the back spring of the knife, and that prevents it from going in too far. But when the knife starts to wear away, you see that the edge sticks out a little bit over here, and that could cut you or it could rip your pant lining. So what we're going to do is we're going to shave this metal edge just slightly so that the tip of the blade sinks all the way in, or enough so that it doesn't cut my pants when I wear it. Okay, so let's begin. We're going to start by shaving that edge a little bit. It's the first thing we're going to do. To do that, I'm going to use my trusty 1x30 belt sander, and I'm just going to take the edge of that blade, the base of it, the part that hits the spring, and I'm going to go ahead and shave it off using this very carefully, not to damage the rest of the knife. Okay, let's see how it closes now. All right, as you can see, the blade no longer sticks out, and I can do that without cutting my finger. See, it's perfect. How much did I take off? The amount is probably negligible, but as I use the belt, I rounded off the edges to smooth that out a little bit, and there you go. Problem solved. Simple fix. Okay, next, this handle is a little loose, moves around a little bit. So let's give it a couple of taps with a ball peen hammer. I have a very large hammer. Unfortunately, I only have a big one, so I'm going to need to be very careful with this, because normally you would use a smaller hammer for this, and you're using the ball peen side because this is the side that you use to mushroom the pins. And that's it. There's no more play on this handle. It no longer slides back and forth like it used to. Handle is tight, blade closes tight, problem solved. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay sharp.